MLA ka Mawlai uba Bright Star Well Marbanyang ula dawadak bating bagi BSF kibala thambor ba lekin chlain ba drongti ka samla lut hasnong kuliang East Giant Hills Devantian hak posko aja khat habonra ikini kamat hapo ka yung darbar mita kasngi uba Bright Star Well ula bagi BSF kila jipna kam baklai ka bor ban thambor kibrio hachaka ban ka jingeda Loong baha kami ka kandai ter gujilio aja pusau ki BSF ki Riam Paidbah kilalik thamboi ka yeng ka kong Martina Poshna hakaba kilak takti ba drongti ya ka khun jaka ka badang samla lut ha te kamien u MLA ka Mawlai loong baka jinglek ki BSF da ka Riam Paidbah kalong ka ba ki Paidbah bantep lak ki de ki Gangstar ne ki Nongbat ya ka an Ulang baka dandru ka video ka blasa priang social media hakaba ki BSF ki alik thambor ha ka te ki yeng Hakani ga jala ki BSF haka jaka bakin ra ika jinge dei baka jinge jan baki Paidbah kila thau chikruma pumban bunsin ki spai BSF haba kile iki kambi an ki ori ngan haka BSF Act 1968 henry ki jingja hakuliang kala kring yak an posko Act aja khat but dei bantian bishar haka an posko Act aja khat uba Bright Well uloong bahaka april tirig jileo aja absa Hadian bagi BSF kila syara ki pulit hadian kat tu kan nikenta ki BSF kila likhang kedong ya ka police station ha ka ba kila berniam ban khang ya ka police station hado bagi pulit kila pelanya iki halor kan ni usembut menteri rangba bakmi ga tanat kampo yeng uba preston tinsang ula pente bagi pulit kila pendap ka jing tok halor ka jing kena thambor jong ki spai BSF ya kalong yeng hakuliang East Giant Hills district Lapente bahadin kani ka jingja pula kila register ka case hakli dia women's police station hapo ka kondon south spa san pnyau arspa lai kundrio lai spa san sau lai spa sau but life sau jaka Indian penal code ba puli lang bat ka kunhun nyau bat pra jong ka pusko act haka arpo trip jilio ka kong Martina Poshna na kuliang kala ujor ejahash pulit ba pente bahaka me ka khandai trek kumba ka wish tengi langut kibrio di belakang mildi kum spai BSF lawan dung jubor hapo ka yeng sa jangka pat kila shot dusman yu kupa ka yeng uba shan rolling do hadu pakedia kish ingkrung bat kila jong tiru ya ka khon ka brang khasan snam hakapo ka ashteng step ki BSF pala khasanul kibreu kila wan biang ban shot dusman yu ba shan rolling do
from the civilian point of view to really know whether these people whether they are gangster or whether they are law enforcing agency and whereby they make a threat to the police personnel where they said that they are going to burn down the police station if these BSF personnel were not released. So this is something very serious where we are all aware that as far as law and order situation is concerned, it is a state subject which is on the list 2 of Schedule 7, and the very fact that the BSF personnel have been from time and again act this way, it creates a situation where it really question the federal structure of our state, the center-state relations between the state and the center, and therefore with these few submission, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home to seriously look into this matter and see to it that these BSF personnel are being booked under the POCSO Act and being tried under the POCSO Code. So with these few words, I would like
Sopon, minor girl in the East Giant Hills. Sir, on the 20th of June 2024, an FIR was lodged by Srimati Martina Poshna at Kuliang Village, East Giant Hills, that on the night of 19 June 2024, at approximately 11:30 p.m., 3 individuals claiming to be BSF personnel forcefully entered her house. These individuals were armed with dangerous weapons, including a gun and a dao, and were dressed in civilian clothing. They broke into the house, and upon entering, the assailants attacked Shri Shanroy Lingdo. They also took an dao and were dressed in civilian clothing. They broke into the house, and upon entering, the assailants attacked Shri Shanroy Lingdo. They also took an axe from the house and attempted to use it against the family. Despite the efforts of Srimati Martina Poshna and her 15 years old daughter to disarm the attackers, they were overpowered them. The assailants continued to beat Sri Lengdo severely, resulting in a broken rib. So thereafter, at around 12:30 a.m., the same individuals returned with a larger group of more than 15 people and resumed their brutal assault on Sri Shanroy Lengdo. During this second attack, they forcibly took the phone from the complainant's 15-year-old daughter and allegedly abused her. When Srimati Martina Poshna attempted to protect her daughter, she too was assaulted. The attackers further threatened the family with firearms and warned them of future harm. Sir, following the incident, a case was registered at Cleriat Women Police Station under case number 16 (06/2024) with charges filed under section 457, 326, 354, 506, 384 and 34 Indian Penal Code, read with section 7 and 8 of the POCSO Act. Sir, on the same day, that is 20th June 2024, the complainant and the victims were examined and their statements were recorded, and all necessary steps such as medical examinations, visit to place of occurrence and collecting of evidence were done as per law. So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the status of the case is the investigation is just completed and now is ready to be charge sheeted. Sir, that government has also notified a coordination committee constituting under the chairmanship of the respective deputy commissioner or subdivisional officer, SDO, subdivisional officer civil, and the members were police or officer in charge of police and SP or DSP, and also the members of the traditional heads, especially staying in those international border area. And the nomenclature and the terms of reference of this committee is to sit down and to work out when and where the issue of complaints, be it from the BSF personnel or be it from the public in the border area, in the international border area, that it should be resolved in the level of the district or the subdivision level. So with this notification, sir, with this constitution of this committee, coordination committee, I would like to inform once again the honourable members of this August House that the incidents, such incidents that has happened like the one where the honourable member brought to the notice of the House has drastically come down, sir. It has drastically come down. So I am very sure with the having of this committee, we will be able to resolve the issues once and for all.